So I just finished getting ready. I'm just about to do my skincare. I'm trying a new schedule. Okay, ready and set for the day. So like I said, I'm trying a new schedule. It's not necessarily new because I kind of wake up at this time. It's just that I want to be more consistent. So I want to try waking up at 5. As you can see from earlier in the video, I didn't get to wake up at 5, but I'm just gonna take the day how it is, and that's because I didn't sleep early, but that's okay. We're gonna try sleeping early today. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and make breakfast for my kids. It is winter break, so they are home, so I'm gonna go make breakfast for them, and then after that I'm gonna get working. I do want to be more productive. I have wasted my days prior, especially lately. I've been quite unmotivated to do anything, so I kind of want to get on top of that. So yeah, I have so much to do. I want to do a vision board for 2025, so that's kind of the big thing that we're gonna do today, and some editing. But yeah, right now I need to go ahead and make breakfast, and then once that's done I can go ahead and find some pictures off Pinterest, and then we should be able to get, like, you know, and then I'll just have to leave to go print it because I don't have a printer at home that works. So I'll have to leave and go print my pictures and stuff like that to make that vision board. Also, I bought a few things for my work slash study table. You guys saw me put together. Yeah, I have a new stuff for like my work slash study table that I want to, like, you know, put together on my desk, so we might do that also. So we're just gonna go ahead and get those going. Those are the things that we have in our agenda today, and trying to be consistent with everything. Like, now that my kids are home, my schedule is kind of changing. So yeah, I'm trying to create like a proper schedule for this next 2 weeks, so that way, like, I don't just, me and my kids just don't waste time like just sitting around because we're home. But yeah, let me go downstairs and make this breakfast. It's like almost 10 now.
Where's the record? Ay, Mama, guess what? I'm gonna make the egg on.
That's my study table.
Which side did I draw?
Let me give you a tour. So we have the Quran section over there, and then of course my computer. I have my planner, my little pens and stuff and little gadgets, and then my notebooks for my journal and my whiteboard there. And that's it. It's so cute. Hopefully it'll be functional. I'm coming from like running my errands or whatever. I went to the library to try to print the pictures and stuff. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was thinking as if I were to print the pictures from like a Walgreens or something, like you can just select the pictures you want and print them off. I don't know how I was thinking about it like that, but when I got to the library I realized like I need to have like like a PDF or like a Word document with the pictures, and then I could print them. Oh, anyway, I couldn't print them like separately, and they were on my phone. I don't know, the whole thing, I didn't think it through, so I didn't get to print the pictures today. But regardless, I'll go ahead and do that tomorrow. I do want tomorrow to be a more productive day also, so we'll try tomorrow. So I just got back home again. I'm just trying to wind down. I went to my cousin's house and I was there for like a minute, so that took a lot out of me. Like, I'm already like drained and I'm so sleepy. Like, I didn't sleep early last night, and I woke up like fairly early, so it's like I'm sleepy. I'm ready to go to bed now. I can barely keep my eyes open, and yeah, I'm just ready for bed. But with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and change, and I'll see you guys after. I don't have much to do. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just do some editing, but I'll probably just do the editing on my bed, because again, I'm just tired. That way whenever I want to shut down, I can just shut down, because I will go. I did tired catch me. But okay, bye guys.